Oh, hey guys, it's Tonya Emm and welcome back to my channel. So I'm finally recording on my camera, my actual camera instead of my phone. I'm just so lazy about that. But I'm going to record this review on my actual phone. I mean my actual camera. I keep saying phone. I don't have the stock card no more. Child, when I put on these wigs, I kind of like just put them on and I don't record them right away. So I don't have the stock card and I really don't have time to look for this because I'm trying to record this video before my my step kids get back from the park, and then there's so much noise around I can't do it. So yeah, so it's Tonya and welcome back to my channel where we talk about wigs and things, hair, all that good stuff. Today we'll be doing a synthetic wig review. So this is by Vanessa brands and Melt Plus Manny. That's the name. Melt Plus is the line and the name of the wig is Manny. And I have her in the color pumpkin. So I do remember the information from the stock card, okay? Before we get into the video, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. So I recently started my own beauty brand called 1111 Beauty. Right now we're featuring 100% real make lashes, but we also sell other products like lash accessories, lip gloss, press-on nails, and I will be selling synthetic wigs in the future. So if you are interested, the links will be in the description box below to go check out the website, and also follow 1111 Beauty on Instagram, and then me on Instagram and TikTok and whatnot, other places. So yeah, into the wig. So a few specs about the wig before I talk about my opinion on it. She is a T-part lace front wig. So T-part meaning that there's only parting space right here, but the lace does come around the perimeter like a lace frontal. She does have combs. I don't use a comb, so don't even worry about that. She does have the adjustable straps in the back also. She is not big head friendly, okay? So you big head girls, you're gonna have to put her behind your hairline, and it's kind of hard to do when you get a colored wig. So I would suggest maybe a 1B, 2, 4, things like that, okay? Unless you actually dyed your hair this color or whatever color you're looking at. Let's see, she is a long wig. She comes down to my butt. The longest length is a little bit layered, not too much layered, but it's, I would say, about 24-26 inches long. It did come with baby hairs. She came with some crazy baby hairs, although I did pull out a little bit more. Unfortunately, guys, I did not record the install for this one. However, I did do a TikTok, a mini install on TikTok. You see me basically apply my wigs over the last few videos. If you're interested in seeing how to apply your T-part wig, I will put a link in the description box on a wig review I did by Outre where I applied a T-part wig to my head. So same method I would do with a frontal, but it's a T-part, so you can't really do too much plucking and whatnot. It's HD lace, so HD lace, you know, is going to melt into your skin. I did have to leave a lot of extra lace on because I wanted to cover my hairline. Like, as y'all know, I talk about it all the time, I have a low hairline. So about my opinion on this wig, I am super impressed by Vanessa brand. Honey, it's a synthetic wig, but it tangles, but it don't tangle that much. I've been wearing this wig for a few days now. I have applied it Wednesday night. Today is Saturday evening and it still looks good. So my maintenance for the wig is at night I'll just brush her out gently from the ends up, and then clip her up on two sides, like twist it like this, and then clip her up and put my bonnet on. And in the morning when I go out, before I go out, I just end up using my Lotta Body Milk and Honey Refine Me Curl Defining Mousse. So you can't even see that because the light's so bright. It's this. So I use that to tame the curls because she does get big once you brush her out. So I put that on and it basically shrinks the curls back up like this. So it really looks really good. It really mimics human hair. Like, it's so soft, so pretty. I got so many compliments on my hair. I got compliments on TikTok, in person, all of that. Like, I really recommend this wig. I don't have anything bad to say except that I wish it was a frontal. That way I could do my own customization. But lately, because there has been a shortage with lace, T-part wigs are really like in now, because let me take these off so you can see the full. Yeah, T-part wigs are in now. So a lot of people you see with their hair parted on one side like this down the middle, that is a T-part wig. Honestly, if you're gonna wear your hair like this, why get a frontal unless you're gonna be playing around with it, you know what I'm saying, flipping it and whatnot. But because it's a T-part lace frontal, you can still do the flips and stuff like that. Like, if you want to be cute, You can do it like this. I mean, of course, playing with in it a lot is gonna make it frizzy, but definitely, T-part wigs, I fucks with them. Like don't be scared. Like, you can still get the same look that you usually get with a frontal with the T-part lace wig, because they add the lace in the front for you. I will be coming back probably next week, Wednesday morning. I'll go ahead and try to record a video, or Tuesday night I'll record a final video. I think I'm gonna do it Tuesday night. I'll record a final. I really don't need to be honest, because this is what, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. This is 3 days of wear. So I'm gonna wear her tomorrow, Monday, take her off Tuesday, and do another wig, because I got my base really laid good. So this is like my review plus final thought video on this. Like, get this, sis. Like, I had a hard time finding it, not gonna lie. I may not be able to post a link to purchase in the description box, because I searched for it. I believe, I forgot the name of the YouTuber, but I found a YouTuber who reviewed it, and she had her something kind of, I think some kind of cinnamon spice or something like that kind of color. And I was looking, and I could not find it on the regular sites like Sans Beauty, Wig Tights, even like Glamourtress, Hair, Stop and Shop. I could not find this wig, and I finally found it on eBay. Like, I really hope I can find this wig again, because I will buy it in another color. This wig is official. I'm getting her again, you know. Anyway, thanks for watching my review. I really appreciate those who support me, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and follow me for more info. Thanks for watching.